My AI automation agency is boring as hell. There's no viral TikTok strategy, no flashy AI demos, no cutting-edge hype, just one dead simple service, helping small businesses get more customers on autopilot, and it generates over $200,000 every single month. While everyone's chasing shiny AI tools that become obsolete overnight, this boring model is exploding in 2026. In the next 8 minutes, I'll show you exactly why boring beats trendy, break down my entire business model, and give you 5 concrete steps to build your own AI agency from scratch, even if you're starting from zero today. Let's define what makes an AI business boring. It's not about reinventing the wheel with sentient robots or metaverse integrations. It's about using AI to solve everyday problems that businesses can't afford to ignore. Problems directly tied to revenue. Think about the most successful boring businesses you know. Plumbing services, storage units, payroll software. They're not exciting, but they solve unavoidable problems, so people pay reliably year after year. Now layer AI on top of that model, and you get massive leverage. According to recent industry research, businesses using simple AI automation see 25 to 35% efficiency gains in their operations. But here's the key: the closer your AI solution is to making money, the more clients will pay. For small businesses, that means automating the grunt work of finding and booking customers, not some vague productivity boost, and actual lead generation that turns into dollars in their bank account. My agency targets e-commerce stores, local service providers, and online coaches. These are businesses where more leads literally equals more revenue. Industry forecasts predict AI-driven lead generation will be worth over $1 trillion by 2027. The boring setups like mine capture the bulk of that market because they deliver measurable results, not just promises. When you solve a revenue problem, clients don't ask, "Is this the coolest AI?" They ask, "Does this make me money?" And the answer is yes. On the flip side, most AI ventures crash within their first year. Why? They're too distracted by the hype. Most AI ventures crash in year 1. Failure mode number 1, vague outcomes. If your AI service promises better productivity without specifics like 20% more qualified leads in 30 days, clients won't buy. 68% of failed AI agencies offered fluffy benefits. Failure mode number 2, building backwards. Code fancy software first, then hunt customers backwards. Identify problems first. My mistake. Chase trendy chatbots until focusing on reactivating old leads. Failure mode 3, tool addiction. 75% of AI projects fail from overcomplication. No, boring wins. Simple AI for SMS, ads, schedulers. Keep it simple to scale. So what exactly does my agency do? We run a performance-based AI automation agency for small businesses, focusing exclusively on lead generation. No full-time staff required. AI handles 80% of the work. Our first core service is AI-powered paid ad management. We take over Facebook and Instagram advertising campaigns for e-commerce stores. Then we deploy an AI appointment setter that chats with incoming leads in real time, qualifies them, and books appointments directly into your calendar. It's faster than human staff, more consistent, and costs pennies per interaction. Our second core service is lead reactivation systems. Our AI system scans your CRM, sends personalized SMS or WhatsApp messages with targeted offers, and converts 15 to 25% of those dormant leads into actual sales. Clients typically see 2 to 3 times return on investment within 90 days. These numbers match industry benchmarks for well-executed AI automation. Ready to build your own agency? Here's the exact roadmap. No fluff, just execution. Step 1, pick one niche. Don't scatter your focus. Choose either e-commerce stores, dental practices, real estate agents, or online coaches. Research their pain points on Reddit or industry forums. Look for repeated complaints about lead generation or appointment scheduling. Step 2, craft one measurable offer. Make it specific and guarantee-backed. Get 50 qualified leads in 30 days or your money back. Tie it directly to AI automation for speed and efficiency. Clear outcomes sell. Step 3, start outreach immediately. Use LinkedIn or cold email with this exact approach. I noticed your business struggles with lead follow-up. My AI system just fixed this exact problem for a company like yours and added $10,000 in monthly revenue. Can I show you how? Send 50 personalized messages per week. You need volume. Step 4, land 2 to 3 free beta clients. Offer 1 or 2 months completely free in exchange for video testimonials and case study rights. This builds proof fast. My first 3 beta clients turned into $10,000 monthly retainers within 6 months. Step 5. Double down and optimize. Track everything. Leads generated, conversion rates, client satisfaction scores. Use Google Analytics and simple spreadsheets. Scale what works, kill what doesn't. Timeline. Aim for $10,000 in monthly revenue by month 3, $50,000 by month 6. These are aggressive but achievable if you execute consistently. In 2026's AI Gold Rush, skip the hype and build a boring agency that solves real revenue problems with simple automation. You'll reach financial freedom faster than chasing every shiny trend. If you're a small business owner watching this, you could add $100,000 or more to your bottom line this year using this exact model. Here's what to do next. Subscribe to this channel for weekly AI breakdowns and 2026 business strategies. Hit the bell so you don't miss new videos. Comment below with your niche. Are you targeting e-commerce, coaching, local services? I read every comment and I'll respond with specific advice. Check the description for free resources including our AI lead generation checklist and recommended tools to get started today. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Let's make your business unstoppable in 2026.